Are you missing messages on Pinterest because the request setting is off? Maybe you're a business owner hoping to hear from potential clients, or a creator waiting for collaboration offers, and they're just not coming through. Here's the good news. If you turn this one setting on in under a minute, a message button will appear on your profile, and people can finally reach you. Let's fix this. So I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to turn on message requests on your PC. We'll start by opening Pinterest. All right, the first thing you want to do is open your favorite web browser and head over to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. If you're already on Pinterest with your account, you're good to go. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. See your profile picture? There's a small arrow down icon right next to it. Click that arrow down icon. It opens up a drop-down menu with your profile options. From that menu, you want to click on Settings. That'll take you to a new page where you can manage everything about your account. Once you're on the Settings page, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of different categories. Scroll down that list until you find the one that says Social Permissions. Click on it. This is where Pinterest controls how people can interact with you. Now we're on the Social Permissions page. Scroll down a little bit until you see the section that says Messages. It's pretty clear once you find it. And here's the really important part. Look for the option that says Allow others to message my business. This is the switch that controls whether people can send you message requests. Right now, it's probably toggled off, so go ahead and turn that setting on. A simple click on the toggle switch should do it. You'll see it change from gray to blue, which means it's active. Now, you might notice a Save button at the bottom of this section. Pinterest sometimes saves your changes automatically, but to be absolutely sure everything sticks, click that Save button. Wait just a second for it to process, and you're all set. All right, so what should happen now? If you go back to your Pinterest profile, you should see a brand new message button right there next to your profile picture. It might look like a little speech bubble or a mail icon. That means people can now send you messages. Go ahead and check for it. If you see it, fantastic. Now let's test it real quick, just to make sure it works. You could ask a friend to send you a message, or if you have a second account, log into that and try sending a message to your main account. If that message request comes through, you've nailed it. But what if the message button is still missing after all that? Don't panic. First, double-check that you're on a business or creator account. Sometimes personal accounts don't have this option. Second, look through your notification settings to make sure you haven't blocked message notifications entirely. And here's one more common pitfall. Check if Pinterest is up to date. Sometimes a simple refresh or logging out and back in is all it takes to see that button appear. One final tip for you. After you enable this setting, it's a good idea to check your incoming message requests regularly. Sometimes they get buried in a separate folder, and you might miss them otherwise. Also, remember that you can always turn this setting off again if you ever feel overwhelmed by messages. It's your profile, your control. That's it. From being unable to receive messages on Pinterest to having a visible message button that lets anyone contact you, you've made a simple but powerful change. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial. If it helped you out, consider dropping a like on the video or hitting subscribe for more quick walkthroughs like this one. Happy pinning!